Kids Story Hub.
Noise pollution. Let's learn about noise pollution. Sounds are everywhere around us. We wake up on alarm clock. Your cat meow. But sounds sometimes reach a volume that is harmful for people and animals alike. If sound get too loud or last long, they become noise pollution. For example, noisy bombs and fiery crackers. Sound is measured in the units of decibels and is denoted by the dB. With extended exposure, noises that reach a level of 85 dB can cause hearing loss. Let's see some sources that cause noise pollution. Transportation, loud sound from airplanes and helicopters. Vehicles on the road constantly make a lot of unbearable noise. Household source, few gadgets like food mixer, grinder, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, and music system. Natural events, loud noise of heavy rain, earthquake, volcano eruption. There are different effects of noise pollution cause anxiety, hypertension, tinnitus, hearing loss, sleep disturbance, and other harmful effects. So what is the prevention to overcome the noise pollution? We should planting more and more trees. Plants observe sound. Machines with blanket noise should install far from locality. Airports and railway stations should be little far away from the residential areas. Misuse of public announcement. Everybody should follow all these steps to overcome noise. Don't forget to subscribe.
Do subscribe, like, and share.